Welcome to Smart Library Solutions, your partner in mastering essential library tools for the digital age. Is your catalog causing headaches? Duplicate records, inconsistent spellings, and unreliable search results don't just frustrate your users. They undermine your library's credibility. Authority Control is the proven solution to transform your catalog into a precise, efficient, and user-friendly resource. Why Authority Control matters. In today's information-rich world, delivering accurate and efficient search results is more important than ever. Authority Control standardizes catalog entries, enhances data integrity, and dramatically improves the user experience. What is an authority file? An authority file is a curated list of standardized terms, names, subjects, titles, that ensures uniformity across your catalog. Whether you're managing a library, museum, or archive, Authority Control eliminates confusion, reduces search errors, and keeps your system clean and user-friendly. Benefits of Authority Control. Accuracy prevents duplicate records and spelling inconsistencies by enforcing standardized terms. Discoverability makes it easier for users to find exactly what they need through unified, consistent entries. Interoperability facilitates seamless data exchange with other libraries and digital platforms. Future readiness prepares your catalog for linked data, AI integration, and evolving digital standards. Did you know? According to a 2023 IFLA report, the University of Oslo reduced catalog search errors by 30% after implementing authority files. What you'll learn in this series. Koha's authority control tools are powerful, but only if you know how to use them. In this step-by-step guide, we'll cover setting up for success, configuring MARC frameworks for seamless authority integration, customizing system preferences for your library's needs, creating and managing records, manually adding bibliographic records with authority validation, building cross-references, example see also for better navigation, automating authority linking to save time, importing and exporting data, batch importing records via Z39.50 or Excel, exporting and printing reports for audits and updates, advanced features, displaying hierarchical relationships, broader and narrower terms, preparing your catalog for linked data and AI-driven search. All are presented in an easy, step-by-step format, perfect for librarians, information professionals, and beginners alike. Ready to level up your cataloging skills? Hit subscribe, and let's dive into authority control with Koha today.